socket obscura. Follow me and see sockets and other fastener drive systems that are unusual, obscure, and even macabre. So, it appears the superior German engineers at Bavarian Motor Works have patented a new type of fastener drive, featuring the BMW logo recessed into the head of the screw to act as the drive structure. This apparently was invented back in 2024 by a Ernst Lorenz, but the patent was just approved last month in Germany and it has not gone into production yet. It looks suspiciously like the original clutch head screw design, which was invented by an American back in 1931. The clutch design was intended to prevent cam-out and speed up manufacturing on assembly lines. However, BMW lists a different reasoning behind their version. Das die Form der Ärgerlichen Außenwungen, das die Schraub. Hold on, I just watched the 9-hour extended director's cut of Das Boot, so I'm pretty sure I can translate that back into American. It says, the shape of the recesses prevents the screw from being released by unauthorized persons. So this is some sort of tamper-resistant security screw, and only official party-approved BMW dealers will be able to get the special driver bit for it. Man, it sucks being an unauthorized person, but I want to undo these screws too. I mean, American ingenuity beat the Germans twice before, but now we're just gonna let them defeat us with a screw? We cannot let this happen. 1 beer later. Yeah, I'm pretty sure one of these pin spanner bits would just fit right in there. I don't see this design putting up too much resistance to tampering. Or there's always the secret weapon, the one that helped us win the war last time. I've never met a tamper-resistant screw that couldn't be unscrewed with the slotted drive conversion kit from Dremel, so I'm not too worried. And I do suspect that if BMW does put these screws into production, it'll probably be more likely used as a decorative design and not as a security measure. I could see it looking really cool if you had a bunch of those BMW logo screws on the dashboard of your BMW. Looks much better than Phillips or Allen heads. Either way, I thought it was interesting. One of you had mentioned these screws in the comments of one of my videos, so thanks for that. And I just had to cover it. Be sure you're subscribed for more of, well, whatever random crap I happen to find interesting. See you later. Bye.